Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, my Boxy pop-up order has already arrived. I am very excited to go on and jump into this. It was funny because me and some of my friends, we were messaging back and forth about how much damage that we did during pop-up, and yeah, I think we all went a little crazy, but the deals were too good to pass up. I also got some stuff for my 1K giveaway, which will be announced shortly, so be sure to be subscribed and have your notifications turned on for when that giveaway is announced. Let's jump into it. Definitely a splurge item was this big Luxie case of brushes. I love this. This is like a binder of brushes. But look, you get some face brushes here, some eye brushes here. But wait, there's more. It's a 30-piece brush set. I think this usually goes for about $300, and on Boxy pop-up, I believe was $80. This was the most expensive item that I purchased from pop-up. I was looking at my cart going, wait, I did not put that many items in. Why is my total so high? It was this bad boy. I am a huge lover of Luxie brushes. I don't own this set, but I haven't decided yet if I'm going to just keep it for myself or put it in a giveaway, so this could possibly be yours. I also picked up a bunch of the Ace Beauté palettes. I also did this in the last pop-up, and I've only been using the one that I got in my BOXYCHARM, which I think is called Vintage Dawn. This is the Quintessential palette, and this is what the inside looks like. If this performs how my Vintage Dawn was, I'm gonna be super happy. It has a great color story. It's fairly on the neutral side with your pops of color, but I think I'm also going to set this aside as well for a future giveaway. I have a lot of palettes as it is, and I know I couldn't resist getting another Ace Beauté palette, but I think it would be so much more fun to share with you guys instead. But wait, there's more Ace Beauté palettes. Well, at least they packaged everything nice. That way nothing gets broken. The other three palettes I picked up was this Ace Beauté Flare palette. This is what the inside looks like. I thought that this color story was so stunning, with it being primarily colorful, but you can also get some neutral looks out of it, or you can do my favorite, which is a neutral look with a pop of color. And then I also got the Oceanic palette, which I thought was completely stunning, especially with my new love of green and blue eyeshadows. I think out of the Ace Beauté palettes, I'm gonna keep this one for myself, and then also Flare will be in a future giveaway. The other palette that I'm keeping for myself, I got the Hip Dot in collaboration with SpongeBob. I thought this was so cute, and I'm a huge fan of SpongeBob. I will do SpongeBob memes and references in my videos every now and then, and this is what the color story looks like. I feel like I have a color story very similar to this, or at least palettes that have all the colors in here, but I've had my eye on this palette for so long, mainly just for the SpongeBob packaging, and I have not tried Hip Dot before, so I felt like this was a good opportunity to go on ahead and pick up this palette. Whether or not I use it is going to be the question, but I'm definitely going to keep it as a collector's item. It just reminds me of my childhood, and I still watch SpongeBob to this day. I put it on as background noise when I'm editing or trying to fall asleep. SpongeBob will always hold a place in my heart. I actually emptied out some of my favorite shampoo and conditioner. It was the R&Co shampoo duo that we got in our winter FabFitFun, but I do have a backup of the shampoo and conditioner, but I haven't used it yet. I'm currently using the Briogeo Banana Duo set, which I think I am going to do a review on right after it does empty. I still have enough to maybe do a full hair video. I'm not sure if that's something that you guys would want to see. Let me know in the comments if that sounds interesting to you, and I can definitely try to work something in. With that in mind, I've been thinking about doing more reviews of shampoo and conditioners and what they do for my hair, and also just kind of going more in depth into my hair care routine, which is leading me into the next items that I purchased, were the Amika The Cure Repair Shampoo, Conditioner, and I also got the hair mask. So I was thinking about maybe doing a dedicated video to this as well, and maybe using the Briogeo Duo as a test just to see how it's received and how it goes. I've never done a hair video before, but I do get so many questions, and I'm thinking that maybe it's about time to just explore that a little bit more. I've been interested in eyeing this line for a while now. I hear a lot of good things about this mask, so I figured might as well pick up the shampoo and conditioner as well. I have used some Amika products, and I really like the ones that I've tried so far, and I got the Hydrating and Shine Balm in one of my BOXYCHARM base boxes this month, and my hair is so dry at the moment, and I just needed another mask. I need to get better at using hair masks again. Self-care Sunday is something I'm trying to work on as well. Long story short, I got this Amika trio. And a couple of more hair items that I got. I have been so curious about this IGK Antisocial Overnight Bond Building Dry Hair Mask. I just explained that I need it in implement hair masks back into my life, and it's just, I get impatient when I have hair masks or a normal mask on my face. That's why I've resorted to using more sleep masks, and I figured that, hey, if I could just spray this in my hair before bed and let it do its magic while I'm asleep, that's a win-win for me. My hair just struggles retaining moisture. It'll stay dry, and then by wash day, it's just completely greasy at that point. So I literally have no moisture in my hair for 3 days, it seems like, and then boom, out of nowhere, it just hits all at once. It damages really quickly no matter how many preventative products that I use. So I'm hoping that this can help. In a couple of my past videos, I've had really bad frizz. So I also got the R&Co Foil, which is a frizz and static control spray, which I wanted to give a shot. This cap seems to be broken, but the nozzle does not look like it has dispensed anything. There was nothing in the box that showed it. I definitely plan on spraying this maybe after I straighten my hair and running a brush through just to see if it helps control the frizz. I feel like the frizz always ruins a good selfie, and I don't think anything else that I've been using has just been helping it. Frizz is something that's been under my skin for a while, but then again, the weather has just been completely weird. It has been warm, rainy, today is cold and windy. I don't know, my hair, my face, nothing can even right now. And then I picked up some Paula's Choice items. I love me some Paula's Choice, even though I haven't used the toner yet because I am like this close of panning my Mamande Rose toner. It'll get panned in March because I'm doing my full face of Lush right now. So I got the hyaluronic acid booster with ceramides. I love hyaluronic acid for moisture in my face, and I definitely feel like my face needs it right now. As much as I want to cheat my full face of Lush routine, I haven't yet, which is very surprising. I've been this close so many times because of the wind that we've been having, and my hand is completely chapped right now, even though I've been hydrating my hands so often. So I was very intrigued by this product, and it also had the words Paula's and Choice together, and I have been so curious about the brand because it is a little bit more expensive. A lot of their products average around between like $35 to $50 that I've seen, at least, or the ones that are on my list. Seeing them in Boxy Pop-Up was a great opportunity to stock up, and then I got the azelaic acid booster as well. It has salicylic acid in it. I like that for my acne breakouts. For some reason, I've been having really bad cystic acne. I don't know if it's just because I'm getting older, hormones, or what it might be, but it's definitely occurring around here. I read that it could be stress, which I'm stressed all the time. That is the second thing I'm dying, only having a full face of Lush, because I am missing my Sunday Riley UFO oil and then their spot mask as well. But I wanted to pick this up that way when I do have some bad cystic acne, kind of using this booster to help relieve some of the pressure, because those throb when you put your finger on it. It's just warm, they're uncomfortable. And then I got the peptide booster as well. I'm just really excited to have a little bit more Paula's Choice in my skincare collection. I know that sounds weird to have, but it's just been a brand that caught my attention ever since I tried the liquid exfoliator from BOXYCHARM. I definitely need to see this in the add-ons or a Boxy pop-up. I will continue to purchase this over and over again. I think this is closer to 30 bucks, which isn't nearly as bad as the $50 items that I'm looking at right now. Ever since trying that product, I've been hooked on wanting to try more Paula's Choice. I know Nordstrom's carries it. I haven't seen it in Nordstrom's. I see it online, but it's something that I wish I could get samples of and figure out what I like, as opposed to just buying some full-size items and then decluttering it, because I feel like A, wasting product, wasting money, but I'm pretty hopeful. A lot of their products have 4 to 5 star reviews on them. All of these say for all skin types, which is nice. So if you're dry, oily combo, dehydrated, hopefully that this can help any of your concerns that you may have. Last product I got, y'all gonna be real shocked. Wander Beauty. I know, my favorite brand. If you've been with me for a while, you know how I feel about Wander Beauty. But it's a glow getter mist. I figured that Wander Beauty cannot screw up a setting spray, but I mean, the nozzle looks cool. This is actually a really nice setting spray for so many different reasons. One, I love how much is dispensed. It's not too bam in your face like you're spraying yourself with a hose, but it's not too light where it just feels like mist. It's a great in between. The spray radius is amazing. I am quite shocked, actually. I just needed to focus on this side of the face, and then for the few pumps I did on this side, my whole face feels nice and set. Damn, Wander Beauty did that. I am shook. I was not expecting that. I was a little nervous seeing the nozzle. I'm like, okay, this is what most of my nozzles look like, but okay. This was my Boxy pop-up sale haul. I definitely had more items in my cart, but I ended up just removing a bunch of them because they were either going to be backups or I was already getting carried away on some eyeshadow. There were a couple more Hip Dot palettes, I think, and so many other IGK and R&Co products, and I think there might have been some more Miko ones as well. But I wanted to kind of restrain myself from going too overboard and getting sucked into, oh, these deals are so amazing, gotta get it now. I was so happy that Boxy Pop-Up did not crash this time. Pretty smooth process of just picking out what items you wanted and checking out. And I would love to know if you guys shop Boxy Pop-Up and what did you pick out? Did we have any similar items, different items, or did you pass on the sale? If you guys get BOXYCHARM, let me know in the comments how was your base or premium box, and are you guys excited for Luxe next month and the premium all Fenty box? I have some feelings about that, but I will save it for that video. Last but certainly not least, my monthly giveaway is currently open right now. If you've already subscribed and entered, don't forget to comment on this video for your additional bonus entry, and if you haven't entered yet, go on ahead and subscribe, and in the description box there will be a link to that video for all the other rules how to enter. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.